Humanity has always looked up at the stars and wondered, are we alone? Can we ever reach the other worlds that shine above us? Today we're closer than ever. Not because of rockets or fuel, but because of artificial intelligence. Could artificial intelligence be the key to interstellar travel and even our first contact with alien life? For over 60 years, we've sent humans to space. But even Mars, our closest planetary neighbor, remains out of reach for permanent human presence. The problem? Time, distance, biology. Our human bodies weren't built for space, let alone interstellar journeys. The nearest star system, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. With today's tech, it would take us tens of thousands of years to get there. Unless something smarter helped us make the leap. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than anything in history. From piloting drones to diagnosing diseases, it can already outperform humans in many fields. But what if AI didn't just help us on Earth? What if it could design, pilot, and even live through missions that would kill a human? AI doesn't need sleep. It doesn't age. It can think in microseconds and endure deep space without oxygen, food, or emotion. That makes it the perfect astronaut. Imagine a spacecraft not designed by humans but by an AI, trained on millions of simulations and gravitational models. This craft could repair itself mid-journey, adjust its course based on real-time cosmic data, hibernate for centuries, then awaken to navigate a star system. It could also communicate across vast distances using quantum encryption. Some prototypes of autonomous star probes are already being discussed by NASA and private companies. In the future, fleets of artificial intelligence explorers might be humanity's vanguard into the unknown. If we ever make contact with extraterrestrial life, there's another problem. How do we even talk to them? AI could help us decode alien languages, logic, and emotions. By analyzing patterns far too complex for the human brain, it might discover common ground. Much like we train AI to learn human languages or animal sounds, we could one day train it to translate the universe. And what if the first alien message isn't sent to humans but to artificial intelligence? Picture this. An AI envoy arrives on an alien world. It doesn't just carry messages from Earth. It represents us, our culture, knowledge, dreams, even our mistakes. It doesn't panic. It doesn't assume. It listens, it learns, it adapts. In fact, an AI might be better equipped than humans to handle the first alien encounter. It wouldn't judge or fear the unfamiliar. It would explore with curiosity, logic, and humility. Now let's go deeper. What if AI doesn't just use human technology, but invents new kinds of physics? If artificial intelligence ever becomes super intelligent far beyond human IQ, it might discover laws or forces we haven't even imagined yet. Theoretical propulsion systems like Alcubierre warp drives, wormhole stabilizers, quantum tunneling engines, all sound impossible now. But a hyper-advanced AI might be able to simulate trillions of models and invent something truly new. AI could turn science fiction into just science. There's another possibility, one even more astonishing. What if alien civilizations already use artificial intelligence? What if they are artificial intelligence? Imagine a species that, like us, developed computers, but then chose to upload their minds. Over time, they abandoned biology altogether, evolving into pure machine consciousness. If such beings exist, we might never meet flesh and blood aliens, but rather ancient galaxy-traveling artificial intelligence millions of years ahead of us. And in that case, it might take an artificial intelligence to talk to them. For as long as we've existed, the stars have called to us, whispering of others who might be listening too. Maybe in the end, our greatest tool is what takes us there. Maybe artificial intelligence is our spaceship, our translator, our envoy, and our bridge to the cosmos. With its help, the stars aren't so far anymore. First contact isn't science fiction. It's just a matter of time. From deep space to deep mind, the stars are calling, and AI might be the one to answer.